Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to put image as background in Google Slides. It's very easy, keep watching. To insert the image as a background, here you will see the option background, change background. Click on it and you will see this dashboard. Now if you want to change the color, then you can select the color here. But if you want to change the color of all the slides at once, then you can click on add on theme to add a background color in Google Slides. Now if you want to put image as background, click on choose image here and you will see various options. If you have an image on computer, then click on browse and select the image you want as a background. After uploading the image, click on add to theme and the background image will appear in all the slides. If you want to insert the image directly from Google, you can search the image here, then select the image and click on insert and add to theme to add that image directly into the Google Slides as a background. If this video solved your problem, please subscribe and check out this useful video shown on the screen. See you again in the next video.